Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I am here with a video of a different kind because I have Kinema right in front of me with all the ingredients that it is supposed to be cooked, and I will be sharing a very simple recipe which a beginner can also try. So my karai is all ready and I have already added the mustard oil to it. So the onions have already gone into the karai and we are going to fry it till it is light brown in color. The ingredients that are necessary is kinema, which is made of soya bean. Soya bean is fermented, and then this is what we get. After that we can cook it. We can have I think it is added to pickles and all also. And after my onion is a bit brown, or you can say the white color has gone, we add in the tomatoes. Now this is a very easy basic recipe. Even the fresher can try this recipe. Only a few things required. After the tomatoes are added, let's add in a bit of salt according to taste. The salt will help the tomatoes to become mushy quickly. Now let's keep stirring. Oh, I'm feeling scared. My karai is moving. Actually, I'm holding the phone with one hand. Here I added the turmeric. A little bit of turmeric is enough. We will keep stirring in intervals. In goes the green chili, which has been split in the middle. Don't forget to do that, otherwise there'll be a blast. And chilies you can add according to your taste. If you like hot and spicy, you can add more. Now that's the star of this recipe, the kinema. In it goes. Now we are going to stir it for some time. Actually, now let me tell you the story of this kinema. This kinema has been given to me by my younger cousin, and I was so very happy to get it. And I am making kinema. I think this is just for the second time I'm cooking, because when we were young, when we were small, my grandmother, my mom used to cook kinema for us. After that, I think hardly I have cooked once or twice. And this may be the second or the third time I'm cooking kinema on my own. So here, after a lot of stirring, now let's add a bit of Kashmiri lal mirch. Actually, it is used just for the sake of color. I use it actually just for the sake of color. So that's added, and we need to keep stirring for some time again till our kinema is mushy enough. See, I am getting the aroma, and if you are a person who have tasted kinema before earlier, you can imagine the aroma that it is giving out. So in goes the water, just about a cup of water will do, and let it cook. And finally, this is it. My rice is cooked and my kinema is ready. It has to have a little bit of gravy. So here lies the plate before me. Wow, look at it, and the aroma it is giving. It's just heavenly. So I have fixed my mobile. Now I'm going to dive right into it. This is the kinema, how it looks. And this is my rice. Please don't laugh. I have a huge heap of rice there. Now I am going to start. Wow, see, that's the chili. I cannot eat very spicy food, so I have added just 2 chilies. Now let us start. My mouth is already watering. Let's see how it tastes. And here it is. Wow, Everything is perfect. The salt, everything. Wow, it's so very tasty. I just bit the chili and I am feeling hot. As I was telling you, when we were young, my grandmother used to cook this kinema for us, and we used to just love it. Not just kinema, she used to cook so many things for us. And now I just remember and I feel so nostalgic. I feel so bad. Wish she was here with me. Anyway, so here, this is the kinema. Wow, it's so very tasty. It is just melting in my mouth. I don't have so much rice usually, but today the kinema has made me increase my appetite. Wow, yum. Thanks Mo if you're watching this video. And the kinema too was very tasty. Whoever purchased, thanks to her. And if you just eat, then too you get such a nice flavor and it just melts in the mouth. But if you are not Nepali or if you don't belong to the northeastern state, I think you'll not be able to tolerate the smell. So I have finished eating. Thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting video. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. I am full. Bye bye.